Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by meeting the prerequisites. You need an updated Roblox client, Blox Fruits loaded, and a stable connection. Once done, move to the island or location where the FM lobby spawns and interact with the FM NPC or trigger the group teleport. Make sure you meet level or equipment requirements so the server accepts you. If you're carrying a fruit, store it or bring the required one. This prevents rejection. This first step gets you into the session, so you can sync with teammates and proceed. Once inside the FM session, immediately open the party and invite or accept the FM members. Use the session code when necessary. Next, assign clear roles: leader who calls targets, damage who focuses bosses, and support handling healing and buffs. This reduces confusion during fights. Make sure to enable in-game chat or voice sync and observe each player's ping. If someone has high latency, consider reassigning roles or using alternate host. These steps ensure coordinated execution and reduce mid-fight. Now execute the run. Follow the leader's route, stick to your role, and use cooldowns on priority targets to maximize damage windows. Once the boss falls, quickly collect drops and respect the agreed loot split. Bank or trade important fruits immediately to avoid loss on disconnect. If something goes wrong, like desync or missing loot, stop, have everyone leave and rejoin the FM or reset the party. A common fix is clearing cache and allowing a 30-second reconnection before restarting the.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.